friends, I'll tell you about an interesting mission called Artemis. Artemis is a moon-making base and research mission of NASA and the other world-leading space agencies, including ISRO. The main parts of the program are the Space Launch System, also called SLS, the Orion spacecraft, and the Lunar Gateway, a space station on the moon. It will be placed in lunar lower orbit. The human land system, also called HLS. Artemis 1. Artemis 1 take the Orion spacecraft to the lunar orbit and came back to Earth. Artemis 2 will take humans to moon in the lunar orbit and come back to Earth. Artemis 3 will land on the moon and establish a space colony, no, a lunar colony, and come back to Earth. Artemis 4 will also do the same, and Artemis 5 will also do the same. I have uploaded a video on Perseverance yesterday, but I forgot to tell a fun fact. Fun fact. Let me tell you that fun fact in my this video. Did you know there's an instrument on Perseverance rover that collected oxygen on Mars? You will ask how much? It collected 122 gram oxygen, and the name of the instrument is Moxie. Subscribe my channel and do it fast because I want to reach 10 million subscribers. Thank you.